Good morning. In this video, I am going to explain orthogonal trajectories and solutions of total differential equations. Now let me start with definition of trajectories. A curve which cuts every member of given family of curves in accordance with some given law is called trajectories of given family of curves. If a curve cuts every member of given family of curves at right angle, then it is called orthogonal trajectory. Orthogonal means nothing but perpendicular. If a curve cuts all curves in a given a family of curves in right angle, then it is called orthogonal trajectory. Here, self-orthogonal. If each member of given family of curves intersects all other members orthogonally, then the given family of curves is said to be self-orthogonal. Note that it follows that if the differential equation of family of curves is identical with the differential equation of its orthogonal trajectories, then such a family of curves must be self-orthogonal. Self-orthogonal means we take as the differential equation of given family of curves is same as the differential equation of its orthogonal trajectories. So, working rule to determine orthogonal trajectories. Step 1. First, differentiate the given equation of family of curves. Eliminate the parameter between the derived equation and given equation. First, we differentiate the given family of curves. We will get a we'll get a equation, differential equation. By using differential equation and given equation, eliminate parameter, then we will get a differential equation. Next, steps 2. In the differential equation found in step 1, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy and thus obtain the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory. Now in the next step, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. We will get the differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. Now step 3, obtain the differential general solution of the differential equation of orthogonal trajectories found in step 2. The general solution so obtained will give us desired orthogonal trajectories. In step 3, in step 2 we get a differential equation of orthogonal trajectories by replacing dy by dx by minus dx by dy. So find the solution of that such equation. You will get equation of orthogonal trajectories. Example, find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of curves y is equal to ax square, a being a parameter. Here given family of curves is y is equal to x square, here a is parameter. To find orthogonal trajectories, first differentiate the given family of curves y is equal to ax square. You will get dy by dx is equal to 2ax. The given equation y is equal to x square and the derived equation dy by dx is equal to 2ax. From these two equations, eliminate arbitrary parameter a. That is, from 1 you write a is equal to y by x square. Substitute a in 2, you will get dy by dx is equal to 2 into y by x square into x. Now x cancel, you will get 2 into y by x, which is the differential equation of the given family of curves. Now to find orthogonal trajectories, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Now our equation becomes minus dx by dy is equal to 2 into y by x. Cross multiply, we get x dx plus 2y dy is equal to 0. Now integrate, you will get the solution x square by 2 plus y square. 2 integration y square is equal to b square. I take constant as b square. Now this equivalent to x square by 2b square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, which is required orthogonal trajectories of given family of curves, where b is arbitrary constant. See example 2. Find the orthogonal trajectories of the system of circles touching a given straight line at the given point. Or find the orthogonal trajectories of x square plus y square is equal to 2x. Both statements are identical. Now see solution. Let the given point be origin O 0 0 and the given straight line be y-axis. Now if A be the radius of circle, then the equation of family of given circles x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square, or x square plus y square is equal to 2ax. If you take a is a radius, then the circle is passing through 0 0, then center becomes a comma 0. If center a comma 0 and radius a, then the equation of circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square. By simplifying this, you will get x square plus y square is equal to 2ax, where a is a parameter. To find the orthogonal trajectories, first differentiate the given differential equation. Now, derivative of 2x, x square is 2x and y square is 2y divided by dx is equal to 2ax differentiation is 2a. Now this becomes a is equal to x plus y into divided by dx. Take this as 2. From 1 and 2, eliminate a, or simply substitute a in 1. What we get? X square plus y square plus 2 into x plus y into divided by dx, or 2xy divided by dx is equal to 2xy divided by dx is equal to y square minus x square. Which is differential equation of the given family of circles. Now to find orthogonal trajectories, replace divided by dx by minus dx by dy. Then the differential equation of required orthogonal trajectories is 2xy into minus dx by dy is equal to y square minus x square. That implies dy by dx is equal to 2xy by x square minus y square. Now this is homogeneous differential equation. You put y is equal to vx. So dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Therefore, v plus x dy by dx is equal to 2v by 1 minus v square, where substitute v by x by v, then you will get v by 1 plus y square. This implies x dy by dx is equal to 2v minus 1 by v square minus v. So we'll get v plus v cube by 1 minus v square. Now rearrange the terms or separate the v terms and x terms. You will get dx by x is equal to 1 minus v square by v cube plus v plus v cube dv. That implies dx by x is equal to, then by partial fractions you write this as 1 by v minus 2v by 1 plus v square dv. Now integrating on both sides, you will get dx by x is log x is equal to 1 by v integration log v minus integral 2v by 1 plus v square is log 1 plus v square, plus I take integral constant as log c. So you can write this as log x is equal to, this is log a plus log b is equal to log ab, log a minus log b is equal to log a minus b. Apply these formulas for this. You will get log c into v by 1 plus v square. Now log x is equal to log cv by 1 plus v square. Finally x is equal to cv by 1 plus v square. You can write this as x into 1 plus v square is equal to cv. Now replace v is equal to y by x and simplify, you will get x square plus y square is equal to cy, where c is a parameter. This is equation of orthogonal trajectories. Now find the another example. Find orthogonal trajectories of the family of coaxial circles x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0, where g is a parameter. First given family of coaxial circles is x square plus y square is plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. Differentiating one we get 2x plus 2y divided by dx plus 2g plus c constant, being constant derivative 0 is equal to 0. From this write g is equal to minus of x plus y into divided by dx. Now substitute g value in 1, we get x square plus y square minus 2x into x plus y divided by dx plus c is equal to 0. Now simplify this equation. You will get y square x square minus 2x square minus x square minus 2xy into dx by dx minus 2xy by dx plus c. You will get this equation. This is the differential equation of given family of circles. To obtain orthogonal trajectories, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Then the differential equation becomes, what happens? Y square minus x square minus 2xy into minus dx by dy minus into minus plus dy by dx plus c is equal to 0. From this 2xy dy by dx is equal to, alright, 2x divided by dx minus 1 by y x square is equal to minus c by y minus y. Okay, which is the differential equation of required orthogonal trajectories. So this is linear equation. By taking x square is equal to v, so that 2x dx by dy is equal to dv by dy. Okay. Then the equation gives dv by dy minus 1 by y v is equal to minus c by y minus y. So this is linear equation. So integral factor is e power integral minus 1 by y dy, that is e power minus log y, that is equal to 1 by y. The solution of this linear differential equation is v into if is equal to minus of integral c by y plus y into if, that is 1 by y dy, plus d. Here d is integral constant. This is equal to c by y square plus 1 dy plus d. Here if I write as 1 by y. So v by y is equal to c into 1 by y square integration is 1 by y. I write this as y power minus 1 minus plus 1 dy. 1 dy is y. So I multiply by minus, you will get minus y plus d. So finally you get v by y is equal to c into y inverse minus y plus d. Replace v by x square. We get x square plus y square minus dy minus c is equal to 0. Here d is a parameter. See, find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of circles. X square plus y square plus 2fy plus 1 is equal to 0, where f is a parameter. Now x square plus the answer is x square plus y square minus cx minus 1 is equal to 0. By similar way, by doing this, you will get the solution x plus y square minus cx minus 1 is equal to 0. Find orthogonal trajectories of the family of circles x square plus y square plus 2fy minus 1 equal to 0, where f is a parameter. Then the solution is x square plus y square minus cx plus 1 is equal to 0. Here observe one thing. If you take x square plus y square plus 2fy word term, that will become minus 2gx. You can take 2gx or cx. Plus constant, you will get minus constant. The same way, if you take plus 2fy minus 1, you get minus cx plus 1. See earlier example. The solution of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus y plus c equal to 0. What do we get? X square plus y square minus cy minus d. Right? Minus cy minus d, or x plus y square minus dy minus c is equal to 0. In a given family of curve, if you have x term, the orthogonal trajectories have y term. If plus constant, you will have minus constant. Here one more example. Find orthogonal trajectories of family of curves x square by a square plus x square y square by b square plus lambda is equal to 1, lambda being the parameter. Given family of curves is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus lambda is equal to 1. Here lambda is a parameter. To eliminate parameter, first differentiate 1, we get x square differentiation 2x by a square, 2y by b square plus lambda into dy by dx is equal to 1 integration, sorry, 1 differentiation of 1 is 0. From this, I write 2y by b square plus lambda dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by a square, 2 to cancel. So 1 by b square plus lambda is equal to minus x by a square y into dx by dy. Eliminating lambda from 1 and 2, we get x square by a square into y square, write 1 by b square plus lambda value, y square into minus x by a square y into dx by dy is equal to 1. Now write this as x square by a square minus y cancel, xy by a square into, I write 1 dx by dy as 1 by dy by dx is equal to 1. So to obtain orthogonal trajectories, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. The differential equation of the orthogonal trajectories is x square by a square minus xy by a square into, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy is equal to 1. This becomes x square by a square plus xy by a square into dy by dx is equal to 1. I write this as 1 minus x square by a square. Then simplify x square by xy by a square dy by dx is equal to a square minus x square by a square cancel. Now write y dy is equal to a square minus x square by x into dx. I write this as x square by x minus x square by x, that is x dx. Now integrate on both sides, you will get y integration is y square by 2 is equal to a square into 1 by x integration is 1 by x and log x minus x integration x square by 2 plus constant c. So take LCM and simplify, you will get x square plus y square minus 2a square log x is equal to c. Bring this all terms into this side, you will get x square plus y square minus 2a square log x is equal to c, where c is a parameter which is required orthogonal trajectories. See one more example. Find orthogonal trajectories of family of parabolas y square is equal to 4a into x plus a being the parameter. See, you write in another way, show that the family of parabolas y square is equal to 4a into x plus a is self-orthogonal where a is a parameter. Show that y square is equal to 4a into x plus a is self-orthogonal. To show the given family of curve is self-orthogonal, it is enough to show the differential equation of given family of curves is same as the differential equation of its orthogonal trajectories. So first find the differential equation of given family of curves. For that, differentiate the given equation with respect to x. You get y square derivative is 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a into x derivative is 1, a derivative is 0. So 4a into 1, that is 4a. Therefore, a is equal to y by 2 into dy by dx. Eliminating a from 1 and 2, we have y square into 2y dy by dx into x plus y by 2 into dy by dx, or y is equal to, take y cancel, y is equal to 2x into dy by dx plus y into dy by dx whole square, which is the differential equation of given family of curves 4a into x plus c. Now replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy in 3 equation. You will get the differential equation of required orthogonal trajectories, that is y is equal to 2x into minus dx by dy plus y into minus dx by dy whole square. After simplifying this, you get, I write this as dx by dy. So here dx by dy, you write 1 by dy by dx, that is y is equal to minus 2x by dy by dx plus y by dy by dx whole square. Take LCM dy by dx whole square and simplify, you will get y into dy by dx whole square plus is equal to minus 2x into dy by dx plus y. So I write this as y is equal to y into dy by dx whole square plus 2x into dy by dx, which is the same as the differential equation of 1. Therefore, the given differential equation is, the given family of curves is self-orthogonal. In the same way, show that x square by a square plus lambda plus y square by b square plus lambda is equal to 1 is self-orthogonal. Or find the orthogonal trajectories of family of curves x square by a square plus lambda plus y square by b square plus lambda is equal to 1, where a lambda is a parameter. See, first the given family of curves is x square by a square plus lambda plus y square by b square plus lambda is equal to 1. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. We will get 2x by a square plus lambda plus 2y by b square plus lambda into dy by dx is equal to 0. Take LCM. X into b square plus lambda plus y into a square plus lambda into dy by dx by a square plus lambda into b square plus lambda. So this can be equal to x into b square plus lambda plus y into a square plus lambda into dy by dx is equal to 0. So to write lambda is equal to, first we simplify, xb square plus x lambda plus y square plus y lambda dy by dx is equal to 0. Take lambda is common. Lambda into x plus y into dy by dx is equal to minus b square x plus a square y dy by dx. This gives lambda is equal to minus of b square x plus a square y dy by dx by x plus y in dy by dx. Substitute by using this lambda, find a square plus lambda and b square plus lambda. So a square plus lambda is equal to a square minus b square x plus a square y by dy by dx by x plus y into dy by dx. Simplify this and write, you get a square minus b square x by x plus y dy by dx. The similar way, find b square plus lambda, which is equal to b square minus a square by a square into x dy by dx by x plus y dy by dx. Putting these values, a square plus lambda into b square comma b square plus lambda in 1, we get the equation x square into x plus y into dy by dx by a square minus b square into x plus y square into x plus y dy by dx by b square minus a square y dy by dx. Here I write this as minus of a square minus b square. I write this as minus of a square minus b square, and a square minus b square is common. 1 by a square minus b square is common, and I take LCM. You will get y dy by dx into x square x dy by dx minus x square x y square x dy by dx is equal to a square b square a square minus b square x y dy by dx. And simplify this, you will get x square plus xy dy by dx minus xy dx by dy minus y square is equal to a square minus b square, which is the differential equation of given family of curves. Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. You will get, write dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Here 1 by dx by dy is minus 1 by dx by dy, that is minus dy by dx. So d square x square plus xy minus dx by dy minus xy into dy by dx minus x square is equal to a square minus b square. Now this is x square plus here minus into minus plus. So plus xy dy by dx plus into minus xy dy by dx by dy minus y square is equal to a square minus b square, which is same as 2. So the given differential equation, the given family of curves is self-orthogonal. Determination of the orthogonal trajectories in polar coordinates. Here earlier we saw orthogonal trajectories in Cartesian form. Now we are going to see the orthogonal trajectories in polar coordinates. So the working rule to determine the orthogonal trajectories in polar coordinates. First, the given equation is f of r comma theta comma c is equal to 0. differentiate 1 with respect to theta, you will get an equation. From that equation and using 1, eliminate the parameter c, you will get a differential equation of 1. Generally, note that while differentiating the given equation, we take logarithm and then differentiate. If you take logarithm, it is easy to differentiate or easy to simplify. Step 2, the differential equation found in step 1. For orthogonal trajectories, replace dr by deta by minus r square d theta by dr, and we will get a differential equation of required orthogonal trajectories. In step 3, find the solution of that such such a differential equation. You will get the general solution. You will get orthogonal trajectories of given family of curves. See example. Find orthogonal trajectories of chordoid r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Here a is parameter. See what are the steps. First, take the given differential equation, then differentiate, eliminate curvature constant from these two equations, then replace dr by deta by minus r square d theta by dr. You will get a differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. Obtain the solution of the differential equation. You will get orthogonal trajectories of the given family of curves. So first, given family of chordoids is r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Taking log on both sides, you get log r is equal to log a plus log 1 minus cos theta. Then differentiate with respect to theta. So log r derivative is 1 by r dr by d theta. Being a log a constant, the derivative of log a is 0 plus log 1 minus cos theta is 1 by 1 minus cos theta into 1 the inner function derivative 0 minus cos derivative minus sin theta, minus into minus plus. So you will get sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Since 3 is a free from parameter a. Observe third equation 3. There is no arbitrary constant. So this is the differential equation of given family of curves. 1 by dr by theta is equal to sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. The differential equation of required orthogonal trajectories is 1 by r into replace dr by theta is minus r square d theta by dr is equal to sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Simplify this as here r cancel, minus r into d theta by dr is equal to r at sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by 1 minus cos theta as 2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 cancel, 1 sin theta by 2 cancel. You will get cos theta by sin theta, that is cot theta by 2. Now separate the terms r and r comma theta terms. You will get 1 by r dr is equal to minus tan theta by 2 by tan theta by 2 into d theta. Integrating, you will get log r is equal to integral of tan theta by 2 is log cos theta by 2 by 1 by 2, that is 2 log cos theta by 2 plus log c. This can be written as r is equal to c into cos square theta by 2. That implies r is equal to c by 2 into 1 plus cos theta, or r is equal to b into 1 plus cos theta, where c by 2 is equal to b is a parameter. Then the required solution is r is equal to b into 1 plus cos theta. See another example. Find orthogonal trajectories of family of curves r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Here a is a parameter. By using proceed as the above, you will get the solution r is equal to b into 1 minus cos theta. And find orthogonal trajectories of family of curves r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. You will get r is equal to b into 1 minus cos theta. Find orthogonal trajectories of r is equal to a into 1 plus cos n theta. Here a is a parameter. The same way, r is equal to a into 1 plus cos n cos n theta. Differentiate 1 with respect to theta. You will get dr by theta. Before differentiating, you take log on both sides. Log r is equal to log a plus log 1 plus cos n theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. You will get 1 by r dr by theta is equal to minus n sin theta by 1 plus cos n theta. Here in this equation, there is no arbitrary constant. So you may take this as differential equation of 1. So to obtain the orthogonal trajectories, replace dr by theta by minus r square dr d theta by dr. Then the differential equation of required orthogonal trajectories is 1 by r into minus r square d theta by dr is equal to minus n sin n theta by 1 plus cos n theta minus r d theta by dr is equal to minus 2n sin n theta by 2 cos n theta by 2 by 1 plus cos n theta can be written as 2 cos square n theta by 2, that is equal to cos cancel, 2 cancel, you will get minus n tan n theta by 2. Separate the terms r comma theta, then you will get n by r dr is equal to cot n theta by 2 d theta. Integrating on both sides, you will get n log r is equal to 2 by n log sin n theta by 2 plus I take integral constant as 1 by n log c. So n square log r is equal to, here LCM n, if you bring this side, n square log r is equal to log c into sin square n theta by 2. You write this as r power n square is equal to c into sin square n theta by 2. That implies r power n square is equal to, I write sin square theta by 2 as 1 minus cos theta, that is 1 minus cos n theta. I take c by 2 is a constant b. R power n square is equal to b into 1 minus cos n theta, which is required orthogonal trajectories. Here, see one more example. Find the orthogonal trajectories of r power n cos n theta is equal to a power n, a being the parameter. See, do in a similar way, you will get the solution. R power n into sin n theta is equal to c power n. The same way, r power n sin n theta is c power n is equal to r power n cos n theta is equal to c power n. Now total differential equations. An equation of the form p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0, where p comma q comma r are functions of x y z, is called total differential equation in 3 variables x comma y comma z. To find the solution of these differential equations, first we have to check is it integrable or not. To integrability, there is a necessary and sufficient condition for integrability, that is p into dou q by dou z minus dou r by dou y plus q into dou r by dou x minus dou p by dou z plus r into dou p by dou y minus dou q by dou x is equal to 0. If the condition satisfies, then the given differential equation is integrable. That means we can find the solution of the given differential equation. So very simple technique to remember this. P into dou q by dou z. So first take p, the remaining terms q and r. So q dy, so differentiate q with respect to z, dou q by dou z minus dou r by dou y plus q into the remaining terms r comma p. So dou r by dou x minus dou p by dou z plus r into dou p by dou y minus dou q by dou x is equal to 0. So general method for solving the total differential equation p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0 by taking one variable is constant. So general method is to find the solution of this total differential equation p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0 by taking one variable as constant. The working procedure is first verify the condition of integrability. So first check is it integrable or not by using this condition. Second step, we now treat one variable as constant. So see, I take in this I take z as a constant. So if since z as a constant, then dz is equal to 0. Then the equation reduce to p dx plus q dy is equal to 0. Why? Because here dz is 0, then q dx plus q p dx plus q dy is equal to 0. The solution of 1 u of xy is equal to f of z, where f of z is arbitrary constant function of z. Since what we get? We get p dx plus q dy is equal to 0. Find the solution of this differential equation. You take this as u of xy is equal to c. Here z is a constant, so you may take f of x comma y is equal to u of x comma y is equal to f of z. Now differentiate 2. So here differentiate this equation with respect to xyz and compare the result with the given equation p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0. After comparing, we shall get an equation in two variables f and z. So comparing this equation, you will get equation in variables to f and z. The coefficients of z or f, df or dz involves x and y, it always remove by using 2. Solve the equation in step 4 and obtain the f. Putting these values in 2, we shall get a required solution. So from this equation, we get equation in terms of f and z. So to find, by using this equation, find the function of f and substitute this function of f by using 2, you will get the required solution. See example. Solve 3x square dx plus 3y square dy minus x cube plus y cube plus e power 2z dz is equal to 0. Observe this equation. We have dz term is very lengthy. So I take z as constant. Okay. Compare this equation with, first check the this equation integrable or not. So compare this equation, p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0. Then p is equal to 3x square, q is equal to 3y square, r is equal to x cube plus y cube plus e power 2z. So by condition, we need dou p by dou y, dou p by dou z, dou q by dou y, dou q by dou z, dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y. Find all values, dou p by dou y. So it is dou p by dou y is x square. Dou p by dou y is 0, right? X square is a constant, so dou p by dou y is 0 with respect to y. The partial derivative of p is 0. The partial derivative of p with respect to z is 0 because there is no z term. We take x term as a constant. So dou p by dou z is equal to 0. Q is equal to 3y square. Dou q by dou x is equal to 0. Dou q by dou z is equal to 0. R is equal to x cube plus y cube plus e power 2z. Dou r by dou x is derivative of x cube is 3x square. Y cube is 0. E power 2z is 0. And dou p by dou y, sorry, dou r by dou y, here dou r by dou y is minus 3y square. Okay. Now substitute these all values in this condition. P into dou q by dou z minus dou r by dou y plus q into dou r by dou x minus dou p by dou z plus r into dou p by dou y minus dou q by dou z. Substitute the values and simplify, you will get 0. Therefore, the given equation is integrable. To find the solution, take z as a constant, then you will get dz is equal to 0. Then equation becomes 3x square dx plus 3y square dy is equal to 0. So we can easily integrate this equation. So integral 3x square dx plus integral 3y square dy is equal to c. The solution is x cube plus y cube is equal to c. And take x cube plus y cube is equal to f of z. Differentiate this equation with respect to x, y comma z. We get x cube derivative 3x square dx plus y cube derivative 3y square dy plus f of z. The derivative of f of z is f dash z into dz. Okay. Now this can be written as 3x square plus 3y square dy minus f of dash z is equal to 0. Now compare this equation with the given equation. Therefore f of z, f dash z is equal to e cube plus x cube plus y cube plus e power 2z. So f dash x, now I write this as x cube plus y cube is equal to f of z. So the equation becomes f dash z is equal to f of z plus e power 2z. So d of f of z by dz minus 1 into f dash z. So here f dash f z, not f dash z, f z is equal to e power z. This is linear equation in f of z. The solution of this equation is e power minus z into f is equal to e power 2z into e power minus z dz plus c. So e power minus z into f is equal to e power z plus c. So f is equal to e power 2z plus c power c into e power z. From 3, substitute f. What is f value? F is equal to x cube plus y cube. So x cube plus y cube e power 2z plus c into e power z, which is the solution of the given total differential equation. Verify that the condition of integrability for the differential equation 2x plus y plus 2xz dx plus 2xy dy plus x square dx is equal to 0. So first and then find the solution. First compare this equation p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0. Then check whether the integrable condition is satisfied or not. Then to find the solution, take x terms as a constant, x as constant, then dx is equal to 0. This term will become 0. You will get 2xy dy plus x squared dz is equal to 0. X square is constant. Then find the solution of this equation. Then substitute all values. You will get the solution of total differential equation.